statement that you signed on the 27th of October 2014. You signed this statement when the incident was still fresh in your mind.
Statement is na sonong o se signa ka di 27th October 2014. O se signa jena e le hore ketsahalo ena ene santsane le ntjha kelelong ya hao. That is correct.
Okay.
Utiye bokuiqiniso lokho ukuthi mang signed lesi statement engisenze nge 27th ka October 2014 lesi sigameko besasesisha nje la engqondweni yami.
Okay. And at the time when you made this statement, whether you were asked by the police to answer the questions or whether you were narrating the sequence of events, but from paragraph 5 that you were referred to, it says, my Lord, I'm referring to the paragraph that was read yesterday into the witness statement. Thank you, my Lord.
Hey, what is that, advocate? Hey, what statement is that?
In the statement that was read yesterday, the one signed on the 27th of October 2014. No, I'll just read, don't worry, I'll just read the entry that was read into the record.
Jwale kamantswa mang hore wena o no botsa dipotso araba kapo mohlomong o no fana ka diketsahalo jwalo fela hona le paragraph statement tseno se ke buang ka sona mo haholoholo ke tla tsepama ho paragraph 5 ya sona statement sena seno.
Okay. Open quote, it says, these 3 unknown black males, I cannot identify them as it happened fast and it was dark.
Ore bana ba bararo ba ile hore ne ke sa ba tsebe nkeke ka khona ho ba supa hobane ho etsahetse ka pele ebile ho ne ho le lefifi.
And you signed for that?
O bo signa he hona mo. Yes, I agree. Uthi yebo ngiyakuvuma lokho.
And that's
good lesi statement kwakubhalwe ukuthi la madoda amathathu angwazi ukuthi mhlambe ngaba khomba ngoba kwakumnyama. Uthi yebo ngiyakuvuma lokho.
And you signed for that statement?
Was a signer her statement is on a saying. It is indeed so. Uthi yebo ngase ngiyasigna lesi statement. And
now when you are testifying in court, you are changing that. Am I correct?
Can be put to the witness in which respect is she changing that? I think it's an ambiguous question.
Okay. Oh, thank you, my Lord. Can I just rephrase, my Lord? Then now in court, you are now able to give description of these 3 African males according to the description that we have given to this court.
Jwale hona jwale khotleng la dinyewe mona o so khona ho fana ka setshwantsho sa bona bana ba batho ba batsho hona mona khotleng la dinyewe.
Nka se khone ho ba supa hobane ke sefahlehong ha ka ba bona.
I cannot identify them because I did not see them on their faces. That is what I was explaining in the first statement. Based on how questions were posed to me.
Okay.
Statement ngendlela bebebuza imibuzo ngakhona khona angeke ngikwazi ukuthi ngibakhombe azange babone ebusweni ilokho engikushoyo.
Maybe let me clarify it like this. I said whether you were asked questions or whether you were answering, but in your statement, the description of the man with a dreadlock, of the man wearing a hoodie, is not contained there. In the first statement that was made in October 2014.
Jwale ereke iphetha hape to give you hore bane ba botsa dipotso wena araba hono ha o bohlokwa hakalo fela se nepe ka setshwantsho seo o ileng wa botsa ka sona mabapi le banna bana ba bararo wena o ile wa hlalosa ha wa ka ba khona ho baneletsa setshwantsho ka banna bano. Statementing sane he sa pele o hloleile o fanna ka tlhakisetso ka tlhalosetso ya hore bane ba le jwang.
mohlolomong ko ka hobane le potso eo ke ne ke e botswa ho la hloleha hore ke fane ka tlhakisetso ya hore ke bone batho ba jwang ke ka ho ke arabileng ka mpho ke arabileng ka teng empa ke sa tsepama karabong ya ka ke sa re ke bone banna ba ka mpho ke ba hlalosang ka teng hona jwale.
Perhaps the manner in which the question was asked did not prompt me to give a clearer description about these men. However, I'm still adamant of the fact that whatever that I had presented before this court, viva voce, it's exactly what I had witnessed.
But what I'm trying to say to you is that the police were not giving the information that when you saw a person with the dreadlocks, when you saw a person wearing a hoodie. The police were not giving that information in October up until today from you.
Ntweke bolelang ke hore wena ha wa ka wa fana ka yona tlhaiso leseding eo maponeseng hore batho bana ba ke ba boneng mona na le hoodie na le dreadlocks una kentse katiba ka bo ha wa fana ka yona tlhalosetso eno maponeseng ho tloa ka October ya 2014 kwana ho fihlella ho lena. I cannot recall clearly, however.
Okay.
When the question was posed before me, was that if they were to stand in front of you here, would you be able to identify them or point them out? My answer was no, I won't be able to identify them. Engushoyoke ilokho mina ukuthi mina ke ngiye ngabuzwa ke imibuzo kanjalo ke umbuzo engabuzwa wona ilowo ukuthi ke uma lawo madoda ungawabona okanye alethwa nje la kuwe babekwe nje phambi kwakho uzokwazi yini ukubakhomba okanye ukusho ukuthi yibo labo ngathi cha angeke ngikhone ukukwenza lokho.
Okay, I understand that, ma'am. Thank you very much for that. But what I want to find out from you is that the police were not told that when you saw a person who had the dreadlocks and wearing a hoodie, we are only getting that information from you only today. Do you agree with me on that issue only?
Wa you utlwisisa mara ntwena ya hore wena ha wa khona ho jwetsa mapolesa taba ena e leng hore ke hona re utlwang ka jeko ya hore hona le monna ya neng ana le di dreadlocks, hona le monna ya neng a kentse hoodie, re utlwa mona kgotleng la dinyewe bopaki ba hao ha o qala o fihla mona khotla la dinyewe o fana ka bopaki ba hao. Yes, I understand that.
And the reason why you are only giving this description of the two, sorry, not of the two, of the three males that you saw, but specifically these two. The reason why you are only giving that information today and you did not give it to the police is because we are fabricating the story.
Jwale le baka le tsang hore ebe khotleng la dinyewe mona o khona o fana ka setshwantsho sa banna bane ba babedi o ba bararo ba ileng ba feta mono a kere ke ile hore o fana ka yona tlhakisetso kapo senepe seno setshwantsho seno mona khotleng la dinyewe ha wa fana ka sona mapoleseng ke ka lebaka la hore wena we phela bona bopaki bono asintho ya nnete ka mantswe mang.
Okay, can I move closer?
Ma'am, please, just refrain, don't tell me why.
Yes, ma'am.
You see, when you say this witness, the reason why she did not give the description to the police has to say one of the gentlemen had dreadlocks and the other one had a hoodie.
Yes, ma'am.
Is because she is fabricating the story. Is that what they say? That story.
She's fabricating the description, my lord. She's
Yes, the peer.
yes.
She's fabricating the story that she went into Mapiris, Yolanda's car, picked up the body, the baby. Zandile came, ran into the house, put the baby on the carpet,
No,
shot. Yes,
no,
so
my lord.
specific. When
Thank
she's
you.
fabricating, tell her what she is fabricating.
Okay, thank you, my lord. Can I just say a rephrase? Yes. The reason why you only giving that description of the 2 African males today is because we are fabricating that you were able to see that the one had dreadlocks and the other one had a hoodie.
Ke tla leka ho kobolla dihoro mona puong ya ka ya pele. Lebaka ke lona leno la gore wena o kgone gore ka je go fotela diwe o fane ka setshwantsho ka tlhalosetso ya bana fela wa hloleha go fana ka yona tlhalosetso eno e leng hore e mong wa bona he o ne ana le di dreadlocks o mong na kentse hoodie jwalo ke ka lebaka la hore ke tlhalosetso eo e leng hore wena o iketsetsa yona mona gotleng la dinyelo.
Nna ne ke le mo ke tseba seo ke se boneng le maponeseng mo tsatsing le hlahlamang ne ke le mo ha ke botswa dipotso ke tseba seo ke se buileng.
Now, I was there. I know what I had witnessed. Even at the police, during the interview with the police, I know what I had said. That is the interview that took place the following day. I know what I had furnished them with in terms of the information. To get
Maobane ha ke botswa potso
yesterday, when a question was asked to me,
ke botsuwe gore ke bue kaofela ntho e etsahetseng.
I was asked that I should relate to this court of the entire incident, how it transpired.
A ka ba hlalosa hore ba ene le banna ba jwang pele ke botswa potso ka morao hore banna bana ba ne ba le jwang ka botelele le ka sebopeho le go etsahala jwang. Ke fane ka description se ke botsitswe potso ya description.
Now, I did not initially give the description of these men. I only related to the court of what transpired or what I had witnessed. Only then, when a question was asked to me pertaining the description of these men, was I then able to respond in that fashion, was able to finish the court with that description.
Okay, let's move on.
Manje izolo ngibuzwe imibuzo lana ke ngaphendula kakhulukazi ke ukuthi kwenzakaleni ngaleli langa lesigameko azange zisuka nje ngavele ngasho ukuthi amadoda lawo awebukeka kanjani.
Okay.
Lokho kuvelele maseke ngibuzwa ngakho ukuthi mangizameke ukucacisa.
Okay, thank you. Let's move on. Did you see the person whom you said he had dreadlocks? Did you see what that person was wearing?
We lo amana motona oring une ana le dreadlocks or na une a perijwan. I cannot remember how that person was clad.
Very good.
Jangsa kumbulu kutube toge kanjani lomlisa obe nama dreadlocks.
Very good. The other one you said he was wearing a hoodie. What color of the hoodie was that person wearing?
O mongena oruna kenze hoodie inele mala o jwang hoodie ew. I cannot remember the color of the hoodie. Angsa kumbulu ke umbala wale hoodie.
Okay. Did they have anything in their possession? Did you see?
We le babona gore hona ntho itseng a ba
Both
ba
of them.
itshwere.
These two.
Bana ba babedi. We le babona gore e ka be hona le ho itseng ba neng ba go tshwere bona. No, I cannot remember. Uthi cha angisakhumbuli ukuthi ngabe khona okuthize abe bekuphethe ngoba ngibabona nje.
Is it your evidence that you had 3 gunshot sounds that were fired?
Ebe ke bopaki ba hao hore wena o ile wa utlwa sethunya se kgabola makgetlo a mararo. That is so. Uthi yebo kuyiqiniso ufakazi bami ukuthi ngizwe isibhamu siphuma ka-3.
And after you have seen the 3 African males running away from you, you had another gunshot being fired.
Jwale ka morago ba o bone bana ba matha ba feta ba bararo. Jwale ke ha o utlwa sethunya se kgabola hape. Yes, that was the third gunshot sound that I heard.
And the 3 had already passed away from you.
That is indeed so. Uthi yebo kuyiqiniso lokho ukuthi ngenkathi sengizwa ke ukuchuma kwesibhamu okwesithathu. Laba about 3 bese sebendlulile bona.
Okay. Did you see any of these 3 African males firing any shot? The one that were in front of you, the one that you spotted.
Banna bana ba bararo ba batho ba batso o ile wa bona bathunya kapo emong wa bona banna bano athunya.
Okay.
No.
Thank you.
Uthi cha angaze ngibaboneke la madoda amathathu edubula okanye omnye wabo nje edubula.
Good. Did you see from which house did the 3 African males who ran in front of you came from?
O ile wa hlokomela gore banna bana ba bararo ba ile ba feta ba mathape la lona mona ba ne ba tswa ntlong efeng. No, I did not. Uthi cha angizange ngibone ukuthi la madoda amathathu wabantu abamnyama abandlule begijima nje la eduze kwethu angibabonanga ukuthi babeqhamuka komuphi umuzi.
Thank you. As you were sitting there inside the car and the gunshots were being fired, all of them, let me say all of them, did you see any person coming out from Khumalo's homestead, jumping into the Ngashe's homestead through the gate?
Thunyana dithunya ya thunya dalo dutse ka mokoloing ebe o ile wa bona motho a tswa ka ha Khumalo a jumpela ka ha Ngashe? Not at all. Uthi cha ngaleso sikhathi ke isigameko kudutshulwa thina sihleli ngasemotweni angizange ngabona umuntu ephuma ngapha ngakaKhumalo ejumpela ngapha ngakaNqashi. Uthi cha zange ngibone lokho.
From the time when the gunshots started being fired up to the time when you saw Zandi Khumalo coming to you, you never saw anyone coming from Khumalo's homestead.
Ho tloa ka nako no dithunya di qeta go kgabola o bona ena Zandi atla ho lona ha wa ka wa bona motho. Not at all. Uthi cha anzange ngibone umuntu.
And then if you can just remind me this, did you say where you were seated, you were able to see at Ngashe's premises?
Ako ngikgopotsa hantle gore wena mo ne le dutse teng o no kgona go bona ha Ngashe ka ha Ngashe ka bona kgona go bona ha Ngashe
Ha ke bula menyako ke phahama.
Is it at the Ngashe or the Khumalos?
Ngashe.
Ngashe.
Ha ne ke bula menyako ke phahama. Ke a kgona bona ha Ngashe.
Now, when I opened the door of the vehicle and I arose, I was then able to see the Ngashe premises.
Premises, okay. Is there at any stage wherein you notice someone jumping from Khumalo's homestead into Ngashe's homestead?
Ebe hona le nako mo ileng gore o ile wa bona he motho a tlola go tswa ka Khumalo a ya ka ha Ngashe? No. Tike asikho isikhathi la ngeke ngabona umuntu egxuma nje ukuthuka ngale ngakwa Khumalo eya ngakwa Ngashe.
Okay. Did you see any person jumping from Ngashe's now homestead back into Khumalo's homestead?
Jwale o ile wa bona motho a tlola go tswa ka ha Ngashe a ya ka ha Khumalo? No. Uthi cha angaze ngibone umuntu egxuma ukusuka ngale ejumpela ngapha ukusuka ngale ngakaNgashe ejumpela ngakwa Khumalo.
Okay. Besides the crime scene being cordoned off when you came back from the hospital. But you, as a member of the community, you were able to access the house, which was the crime scene, or to enter into the house, which was the crime scene.
Kante le hore he, re bua ka taba ya hore tulo eno ya male mo wetsa tseng ke tsalo teng, ba re ne le cordoned off ka mantswe a mangwe no kentswe di tape jwalo hore go ska bana le motho ya itsamaelang ka ulukulu wa hona mono. Le ha o le jwalo, wena o ile wa khona go iphumana o le ka hare ha khumalo o ntse o le jwalo.
A ke hopole le hore e ne se e kentswe tape ha re fihla le maponesa, empa ntwe ke tsebang hobane ke fihlile le maponesa le makhumalo ke ile ka kgona ho kena ka moo wa khumalo.
I cannot remember or recollect whether at the time that myself and Makumalo, together with the police, as we arrived at the house, whether it was cordoned off or not. What I know is that I was able to access the premises.
And you were able even to access the kitchen wherein the shooting incident took place.
We live at home.
I'm not stopping you from but this case takes. She and Makumalo were invited by the police to accompany them in a police motor vehicle, which she couldn't describe whether it had lettering or not. Go back with them, the police. Am I correct?
Kere wena le Makumalo le la go tswa ke mapolisa go re tsamaye le le ka hara koloi ya mapolisa jwalo. Ene e bile go tlhalosha le hore wa ka wa bona gore na ene e makiwe ka po jwang fela gore le go tlele bana Makumalo ha o jwalo.
Ho kena Makumalo ke keno bane ke tsamana le maponesa ke tlile le ona sepetlele.
Indeed, I accessed the Kumalo's premises because I was in the company of the police from the hospital together with Makumalo. Yebo ka Makumalo ngeke ngafika ke ngangihamba namaphoyisa ngihamba naye lona uMakumalo ukuthi sifike khona lapha na Makumalo.
My Lord, I don't have a dispute whether he came with the police or someone, but I just wanted to get clarity, my Lord.
Yeah,
Yes.
no, you're right. But
Yes,
that is
yes.
me listening to the evidence.
Yes, ma'am.
He's just a member of the public. What's it doing? And then we just walk in.
No, my Lord, I don't have a problem with his Lordship assessment.
So me, as listening to the evidence, I say she was invited, and listening to the evidence, the reason we were offered to her and Makumalo by the police was that before the nursing staff opens the file and write into the file, there are certain investigations which the police must make before they can annotate that information in the file. That's how I understood.
No, my Lord, I'm not in a hospital. I'm asking about the access of this witness into the kitchen. That's the only thing I'm
I'm saying
asking.
she was invited.
Yes, my Lord, but I need to get it from the witness. Yes. Is it correct that you had an access into the house, even up to the kitchen, wherein the shooting incident took place?
Ke nnete gore lo iphumana o le ntlong eno ya Makumalo le ka hare o kitchen o labe wa fihla. Ha o jalo mo ile gore ke tsalo ena ya uthunyana ka bo ya uthunya ile ya etsahala teng.
Ha ke tsebe nna hore ke tsalo etse kae empa kitchening ke le ka fihla.
I don't know where the incident transpired. However, I did have the access to the kitchen.
Thank you, my Lord.
This camera senzekele kuphi? Angazi. Kodwa ke mina ngeke ngafika e-kitchen.
Thank you, my Lord. I have no further questions.
Any re-examination?
Just one or two aspects, my Lord. If photo 1 of Exhibit C can be